So if you don't have a steamer at home and you want to steam your hair, you can always do a DIY steam treatment. And I've said this before on my channel, but I'm gonna repeat again because there might be some new people watching. So with a DIY steam treatment, you're gonna put your conditioner on like so, like how you got it on now, and then you're gonna take you like a hand towel. This is like a turban towel, but you know, just a hand towel or something like that. Not a long towel like this, but you know, like this a hand towel or whatever. So you're gonna take it, put it up on the sink, you know, some hot water. You can wring it out. You're gonna put the warm, wet towel directly on your hair. Okay, don't put the plastic cap on yet. You're gonna put the warm, wet towel directly on your hair. You can wrap your hair in the warm towel, and then you can get you a plastic cap, or if you're not above a Target or Walmart plastic bag. Some of y'all got some probably up under your sink. You get you a Walmart or Target plastic bag. You put it over the towel and tie it, and that's going to be your DIY steam treatment. So what it's going to do is the plastic cap is going to keep everything trapped in, okay? The heat and the water from the towel is going to release steam on your hair, and the plastic cap will keep it all in. There you go, DIY steam treatment at home. You ain't got to go buy no steamer if it's not in your budget. That will do the trick. Leave it on for about 15-20 minutes, and then go rinse it out. And there you go. You can do that until you can do better. You can do that until you can do better. Okay? So that's just a little trick for y'all to try at home. But of course, if you do have a steamer at home, I've been seeing people sitting up on the steamers with a plastic cap. And when you sit up on a steamer that actually has steam coming out, you don't wear a cap. Now, for y'all who have watched my YouTube videos and stuff like that, y'all see I have a steamer at the salon, and it has a cap, but the cap is to keep the steam trapped in. It's not like a cap where it's going directly on your hair and then you sit up on the steamer. The steam is still going directly on your hair. So if you got one of those steamers and it's not like a steamer like how I have, it's actually, I'm going to show y'all my steamer I got at the house. Let me show y'all. Y'all see this steamer? So this is my at-home steamer. So with this steamer, you don't, it looks like a hooded dryer. It looks like and I love that this steamer is portable. So this was in my little office area over there. But this steamer is rollable, and you just sit up under here. You put water in this little valve back here, and after you put your conditioner on, all you do is, you know, sit up under there. Y'all get the point what I'm saying. This one you don't use a plastic cap with a steamer. Now, if you don't have a steamer and you have a hooded dryer, you could always, now with a hooded dryer, you do need to have a plastic cap, because with that hooded dryer, there's going to be dry heat coming out, and you don't want that dry heat directly on your hair. So that's why I use the plastic cap for a hooded dryer versus a steamer. When the heat that's coming out is actually steam, you want it to get direct on your hair. So that probably bless somebody. You can think, let me go roll this back. We're going to rinse this out. All right, so the conditioner has been on for probably about 8 minutes now, and we're going to rinse it out with some cool water. Well, lukewarm to cool. It's not going to be icy cold, but it's going to be lukewarm to cool. I have my leave-in conditioner right. Keep your leave-in conditioner handy right here by your shower or bowl, because before a towel or anything hit your hair, you put this on. Oh, and here's another thing. Y'all, when y'all shampoo y'all hair, I don't know why people do this, but this is unnecessary. You don't have to shampoo, put regular conditioner in, rinse the regular conditioner out, and then deep condition. Y'all doing too much. That's too much. If it's your week to deep condition your hair, shampoo your hair 2 to 3 times, however many times you need to, and then go in with your deep conditioner. Why are y'all shampooing, then y'all use your regular conditioner, rinse it out, and then y'all use the deep conditioner? Y'all putting too many steps in y'all routine. That's why it be taking y'all too long. That's too much. That's too much. Eliminate that conditioning step. You about to deep condition it. Just put in your deep conditioner and detangle your hair, deep conditioner, rinse it out, and then put in your leave-in conditioner. Stop doing the most. I hope that bless somebody. I might go live on TikTok too when I do my hair. I'm gonna stop being scared. I'm gonna stop being scared. I'm gonna go live up there on that TikTok. So if you're on TikTok, follow me, Lisa Smilez. I think it's Lisa Smilez 7. I had to put the 7 behind it because somebody had Lisa Smilez, I think, already. But yeah, let's rinse this out. Can y'all see me? Okay, y'all can see me. I'm excited about my curls coming back. I'm wearing my curly hair this week. So we're going to squeeze the hair to get most of the moisture out. Now, before a towel touch your head, this is going to be game. Y'all give me some hearts for this. This is about to be game. Take your leave-in conditioner. Make sure you squeeze out most of the water. Taking my leave-in. Rub it together. Apply that leave-in conditioner. I did squeeze some of it out, but it's okay. Sometimes that leave-in conditioner helps some of that drip. Okay, leave-in conditioner is on. I'm gonna put this little I don't even know if Dollar Tree still sell these, but I got this little turban thing from Dollar Tree years ago. But it's kind of like microfiber. It's very very gentle on the hair. So you can just twist it and then you can like, they got this little thing. Can y'all see the back? You can just put it in a little button. Y'all see that? All right, y'all see that? Did that help? Oh, I had something back there. Okay, so now shampoo